Hi, I'm Brent, your Krown Products specialist, and today we're going to show you how you can use the Krown retail line of products to clean and effectively detail your vehicle to prepare it for resale. Now, when selling a vehicle, you want to think of it like selling a house. When somebody's selling a house, it's called a staging. What they do is they make sure that that house looks as good as possible for potential buyers. Well, the same is true of your vehicle. You want to make sure your vehicle looks as good as possible to make sure that you get the maximum value out of your investment. So let's get started. To get started, we're going to work on the headliner of the vehicle. Now, oftentimes when people are cleaning a vehicle, this is actually an area that gets missed a lot. And you might be thinking, well, why is it I need to clean my headliner? Well, if there's any sort of bad odor in a vehicle, oftentimes it's actually trapped in the headliner. So if you want your vehicle to not only look its best, but also smell its best for potential buyers, this is an area that you don't want to miss. To clean this area, it's important to keep in mind that the glue for headliner can be extremely sensitive, so you don't want to use any cleaners that contain any sort of solvents. The cleaner that we're going to focus on in the Krown line is our all-purpose cleaner, Degreaser. This is a water-based cleaner, so it makes it the ideal product to use on something like headliner. Now, another thing that you want to keep in mind is that you don't want to overly saturate the headliner with product. Rather, just spray the product directly onto either the paintbrush or the microfiber cloth that you're going to be using to scrub the area. And another thing to keep in mind is the fact that you don't want to be using an abrasive brush on this headliner. Nothing that could pull the fabric and cause the fabric to sag in any area. So after you clean the headliner, we're now going to move on to the dashboard and the door panels of the vehicle.